Good morning. So for today's video, magluluto tayo ng beef sinigang siya sweet and sour fish. And it's Saturday kaya wala tayong pa-order. Okay? So before we start cooking, this is my breakfast for today. And breakfast ni Papa. Okay? Let's go. Ito yung mga ingredients natin for beef sinigang. We have, of course, the onions, kamatis. We also have okra, labanos, sitaw, tsaka kangkong. And then, bilang pala yung gagamit natin pang-asin. Una yung sinigang mix na powder, tsaka original sampalok. Yung pinakuluan ko, tapos dudugin na siya para ilabas yung katas, yung asin. There. Yan ang ating ingredients. And then, we'll also be cooking sweet and sour fish. Ito yung ingredients natin. Ito pala yung fish natin. I don't know the name if it's maya-maya or lapu-lapu. But we have here carrots, bell pepper, onions, garlic, saka luya. And then, ito pala yung buto-buto na isasama natin sa beef sinigang para mas maging malasa. Ito naman yung beef. So, itong mga to is binigay ng aming kapitbahay kaya lulutuin natin. So, thank you pala sa aming kapitbahay na nagbigay ng beef, buto-buto, and then fish. Ito naman yung ginagawa ko na for beef sinigang. Sinatay ko lang siya, walang tubig. So, pinalabas ko yung tubig niya kanina. Then, lagay ko yung kamatis, sibuyas, tsaka yung buto. Then, we'll have it like simmer for not 45 minutes. It's 15 to 30 minutes na kasi naka-pressure cooker naman. So, yan ang ating pressure cooker. So, pag nag-sizzle na siya, pag malagunan na yung nasa taas na yan, start na kayo mag-timer ng, let's say, 15 or 30 minutes. There. While on the other side naman, ginagawa ko na rin yung ating sweet and sour fish. So, pinafry lang natin siya mag-brown ng konti. And then, nagigis na tayo ng garlic and ginger for sweet and sour fish. Yan. Dinagyan natin yung carrots, bell pepper, and onions ng gusto ko medyo crispy pa yung mga gulay na yun. So, hinuli natin siya. Yan. Sautay lang natin siya for like 1 to 2 minutes. Then, balikan natin yung sinigang. After 30 minutes, ayan na siya. Malambot na yung ating sinigang. Sa ating lalagyan mga gulay. Balik tayo ulit sa ating sweet and sour fish. So, itong mixture na to, bisuka, pineapple juice, sugar, pepper, what else? And ketchup. Yan, so ilalagay lang natin siya and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Lagay yung ating slurry, that's cornstarch and water para maging malapot yung ating sweet and sour fish. Yan. So this time, nilagay ko na yung slurry and nilagay ko na din yung fish. So as you can see, ito may sabaw kanina ngayon lumapot because of the slurry. Yung pampalapot natin siya talaga. Yan. So this should be good. Luto na yung ating sweet and sour fish. Ayan. And then, ito naman yung sinigang natin. Nalagay ko na lahat ng gulay. Papakulaan lang natin siya. Ayoko lang na medyo luto yung gulay. Gusto ko medyo may crispiness pa siya. But of course, we have to consider ating mga ka-seniors, si Papa and mga tita. Kaya papalambutin natin siya na to para makain nila. Yun. So, ayun lang naman yung ating video for today. Ang ating sweet and sour fish tsaka beef sinigang na may buto-buto. So, lahat ng to, yung mga protein natin, meat and fish, bigay ng aming kapitbahay. So, maraming salamat at nakapagluto tayong masarap na dish for today. Again, it's Saturday, medyo maulan, but ang masarap gawin pag maulan, kumain. So, let's eat. Don't forget pala to watch, subscribe, share, whatever you like to do sa aking YouTube channel. I am Dan Fernandez. Okay? Bye! Thank you!